friend kong gumala. And of course, ito ako pupunta. Kahit may bagyo. Kahit may bagyo. Tinatamad akong lumabas. Aray! If you're wondering why my foot is like that, why my walking is unstable, it's because I am a person with disability. Dislocated yung knee bone ko on my right foot. Do pardon my way of walking and do pardon my sometimes complaining about my foot because it really hurts sometimes. It's a symptom, but I'm living with it. I'm trying to live with it. It's my 18th year of living with this disability, but there's also perks of this. Make life be so optimistic pala. Pero no joke, tinatamad akong lumabas. So I'm done. Pero I didn't use any shampoo. Hindi ako nag-shampoo. Kasi wala na akong shampoo. Bibili ako mamaya. It's raining. It's raining. There's a typhoon coming, but here I am. Gala ng gagala. Standing next to you. Mahirapan dito sa likod. Oh, lumalabas. Standing next to you. Kita niya yan kung matulog. Foggy. Nababasa na ako. Basang-basa ako, be! Yung? Ano lang ang pakilan? Na mag-usap pa kayo buong araw. Ang kasabay mo sila? Kasabay mo sila? Tapos sumalat sila? Hindi ako ng shampoo. Gaya-gaya ako.
Ano po po yung contingent? Tingnan mo pag mandatory na po uniform na to tapos yung isa.
Ano, naka-uniform na din yung mga kasama mo?
Lahat na ano.
Thank you po. Ting dong, ting dong, ting dong.
Pansit kayo. Buti open sila.
So, nakabili ako ng groceries. Shampoo and Bioderm. Going home.